Get ready to be amazed as we journey to the farthest corners of our world, meeting extraordinary creatures of the ordinary. Each discovery is more amazing than the last, and what you're about to see will push the boundaries of reality and imagination. This incredible sighting was caught on camera, and we are left in awe of the wonders of our world. If these were not captured, no one would believe that these animals exist. Today, we are going to the unknown world, where the animals are so amazing that they are impossible to believe. Fish with human-like teeth and invisible creatures like dinosaurs all challenge our understanding of nature. We will uncover the stories of these remarkable creatures and discover how these incredible moments were captured on camera. We are getting ready for a strange, surreal, and incredible journey. In May 2022, two Texas fishermen made an incredible catch that looked straight out of a science fiction movie. They were pulling the line, and suddenly they saw a rare black alligator gar, which looked old and had a high melanin level. The creature's armored body and sharp teeth are often misunderstood, but these fishermen recognize its rarity and beauty. They decide to keep him temporarily in their personal aquarium so they can photograph him in detail. The fishermen contacted a marine biologist who became interested in the gar's particularities. Alligator gar is one of the largest freshwater fish in North America, reaching up to 10 feet long and weighing up to 350 pounds. Despite its formidable size and appearance, the alligator gar plays an important role in controlling other fish populations to maintain the ecological balance of its habitat. Realizing its relevance, the fishery decided to return it to a responsible environment. Seeing the alligator gar swimming in the black water gave them a sense of satisfaction that they had contributed to the preservation of an extraordinary animal. Another surprising discovery took place off the coast of Tanzania, where the Zanzibar leopard was once the main resident of the Zanzibar Islands. This big cat has always been hard to spot because of its special skin and spy behavior. However, due to years of environmental degradation and human activities, the Zanzibar leopard is on the verge of extinction. Last officially declared extinct in 1990, many believed it was lost forever. But recent reports have raised hope and interest among zoologists and researchers. A few lucky tourists have seen the Zanzibar leopard with their own eyes, who describe it as a miracle. It would be possible to collect evidence to see the Zanzibar leopard and write its history, which would be a great resource. Many animals inspire awe and wonder in our minds, but sometimes it's the small and seemingly ordinary creatures that amaze us. One day, a man was driving on a deserted road when he saw a small beady in the middle of the road, crying and crying. Seeing the distressed kitten, without any hesitation, the driver Kripanathan stopped the car and approached the frightened kitten. When he was about to pick up the kitten, he encountered an unexpected sight. As soon as the kitten was picked up, many cats came out from the nearby Bangladeshi bush. It seemed that the kitten's screams had summoned a small army, all of whom wanted to join the rescue mission. The scene was strange and strangely beautiful. Surrounded by a happy sea of cats, the driver realized that this was no ordinary situation. He then decided to help everyone with feelings and compassion. He carefully collected all the kittens and delivered them to a safe place. When she came home, she fed and cared for all the kittens and tried to make each kitten happy and comfortable. Finding new homes for the kittens was difficult, but ultimately paid off. In Japan, three brothers made a remarkable discovery near a river. They caught a Napoleon fish weighing 600 pounds. This giant fish is famous for its size, but it posed an unexpected challenge. But what was really remarkable was the fish's extraordinary ability to change color. When the brothers caught the fish, they saw that the fish was emitting a kind of discharge, which made it look more biscuity. Then they cleaned the fish, and then they saw that the scales of the fish were changing color, as if it had a mysterious power. This remarkable feature attracted the brothers, and they wanted to know more about the fish's powers. The Napoleon fish was sent to the National Research Center, where experts could conduct thorough tests to unravel the mystery of the fish's ability to change color and other unique properties. This discovery provided a memorable experience for the brothers and provided valuable information about the mysteries of sea life. The world's forests are also home to creatures that defy our expectations. Armed with a camera and an adventurous spirit, a group of friends venture into the unknown rich forests of Peru, eager to explore the rich wildlife there. As night fell, they set up tents and strategically placed cameras. And the next day, excited friends gathered to review the camera footage. What they saw filled them with enthusiasm and wonder. In the shadow and evil light, a swift creature sped by, its speed so fast that it was almost blurred, making it difficult to discern its exact features. A friend was a dinosaur enthusiast and noticed the creature's resemblance to Velociraptor, featured in popular culture and depicted in dinosaur novels. Velociraptors were feathered, tattoo-shaped predators that weighed up to 100 pounds. The creature captured in the film bore a striking resemblance to these ancient predators, although its size was much smaller. The film sparked heated discussions and debates within the group. Is it an unknown species that observes the characteristics of velociraptors, or is it just an organism that observes these characteristics? The creature's identity remains unknown, but it provides a fascinating glimpse into the hidden world of the Peruvian jungle. But the mysteries of the deep sea are not limited to land. A fisherman in Primorsky Krai, Russia, had an unexpected incident when he caught a strange fish, which he had never seen before. This fish was about 8 inches long and had a startling mutation: 2 mouths. A fish finds another in its mouth and throat, giving it an uneasy, somewhat animal-like appearance. This fishing fish fascinated and amazed people in equal measure. When he began to examine the creature, he noticed that it was filled with a transparent liquid, which slowly rolled out, adding to its unusual shape. This remarkable discovery quickly became the talk of the town, much to the shock and fascination of the locals. A debate ensued within the community, with people debating the origin of the fish, some saying it could be the European eel, known for its long body and secretive nature, while others said it could be the Chinese slipper, which is rarely found in the region. Despite these theories, no one has been able to identify the exact identity of this unusual organism, leading us to believe that it may be the result of environmental change or genetic disorder. Imagine a spider that can move 10 times faster than many other animals. This spider makes interesting jumps in the desert of Morocco. This amazing spider makes us wonder how much effort and energy it expends to perform this amazing acrobatic feat. Scientists have studied this amazing spider and developed technology to mimic its movements. Far away, an expedition team in Japan captured a remarkable moment: one of the world's largest amphibians, the Japanese giant salamander. This remarkable creature, which can grow up to 5 feet tall and weigh 55 pounds, is surprising for its incredible size and features. This Japanese Vizon salamander, an ancestor dating back millions of years, makes for a unique and striking sight with its large head, brown skin, and wide tail. The expedition was lucky when they were able to observe this salamander in its natural habitat, a unique and fortunate experience for them. Tumbleweed spiders represent a unique and fascinating aspect of life on Earth. Their stories show us a unique side of the world, remind us of the diversity and complexity of the world around us, and make us aware of the importance of protecting the environments in which these extraordinary creatures exist. Also, along with the wonders of the natural world, there are creatures that blur the lines between reality and fiction. In the depths of the sea, past the human eye, lurks an extraordinary creature which can rise above the pressure of even the largest whale in the sea. This megalodon creature was once the most feared predator of the sea. Although it was declared extinct billions of years ago, it is still believed by many to be lurking in the deep waters today. Sightings of this megalodon continue to come in year after year, with witnesses seeing huge shadows underwater or giant fins cutting through the water. Although these reports are often dismissed as anecdotal, it still fascinates many that such a large creature could still be lurking in the water today. There are many other creatures in the deep ocean which challenge our perception of reality. One of them is the giant squid, which has long been the subject of sea legends. For centuries, this organism has been hidden past human eyes, its existence revealed only by a carcass or deep water scan. But in recent years, scientists have been able to capture the first live video of a giant squid. These images were extraordinary, showing us a creature hidden deep within the earth, which evoked our imagination and wonder. It further stimulates our imagination, encouraging us to explore the deep sea in search of other hidden wonders. The sea is still a great frontier, a vast and mysterious realm where anything is possible. As we go deeper into the unknown, we are reminded of the extraordinary diversity of Earth's biodiversity. From the dense rainforests of South America to the remote deserts of Africa, our planet is rich with animals that challenge our expectations and understanding of the natural world. Every animal, from the smallest insects to the largest mammals, plays a vital role in the delicate balance of our ecosystem. One of these animals is the acari, a rare and elusive animal that lives in the dense rainforests of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Acari is truly a wonder of nature, with a zebra-like gait and a giraffe-like body. Despite its unique anatomy, the acari was unknown to science until the early 20th century, when European explorers first described it. Acari's discovery was a major event, bringing to light previously unknown species and highlighting the rich biodiversity of the Congo Basin. Today, the acari is a symbol of conservation efforts in the region, indicating the importance of preserving the habitat of such extraordinary animals. Acari's story is proof that there are many more wonders ahead of us in the natural world. Every time we explore some of the world's most remote and inaccessible regions, we are reminded of the extraordinary diversity of Earth's biodiversity. Each new discovery deepens our understanding of the natural world and increases our respect for the beauty and complexity of life on Earth.